Most SUV buyers regret their choice within 2 years, thanks to surprise repairs, poor fuel economy, or disappointing performance. But Consumer Reports tested over 70 models, and only 7 stood out for true long-term reliability. One even costs less than $50 a year to maintain. If you want to avoid a costly mistake, this is the list you need to see. Let's dive in. Number 7. Acura Rdx. The Acura Rdx is one of the most overlooked luxury SUV on the market, offering a rare combination of upscale comfort, confident performance, and long-term reliability that few competitors can match. Built on Honda's rock-solid engineering foundation, the Rdx delivers mechanical dependability that sets it apart in the luxury segment. Power comes from a turbocharged 2.0-liter engine producing a spirited 272 horsepower, giving you quick acceleration without sacrificing efficiency. With up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway, it strikes a smart balance between power and practicality, an achievement not often found in performance-oriented luxury crossovers. Inside, the Rdx impresses with standard leather-trimmed seating, a panoramic moonroof, and Acura's comprehensive suite of safety technologies. Unlike many German rivals, these premium features come standard, no need to pay extra for essentials. The Rdx also earns high marks from Consumer Reports for reliability, and many owners report more than a decade of low-maintenance ownership. One of its strongest advantages is depreciation resistance. While most luxury SUVs lose value quickly, the Rdx maintains strong resale value thanks to its Honda-built durability and reputation for quality. If you want a luxury SUV that delivers on performance, comfort, and long-term value without the high-maintenance hassle, the Acura Rdx is a smart, well-rounded choice. Number 6. Kia Telluride. The Kia Telluride is a clear testament to Kia's evolution from a budget brand to a serious contender in the SUV market. With a perfect 5-star reliability score from Consumer Reports and an impressive 85 out of 100 from J.D. Power, the Telluride isn't just competitive, it's outperforming rivals, including luxury SUVs that cost nearly twice as much. For around $37,000, the Telluride delivers premium materials, advanced technology, and an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a typical family SUV, and it's not just industry praise backing it up. Kelley Blue Book named it a best buy, reinforcing what thousands of satisfied owners already know. Even used Tellurides are holding their value impressively well, often selling at prices close to new. Add in Kia's industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, and you get unmatched peace of mind for years to come. In short, if you're looking for long-term value, proven reliability, and luxury-level comfort, the Kia Telluride stands out as one of the smartest SUV choices available today. Number 5. Subaru Forester. With an impressive dependability score of 86 out of 100, the Subaru Forester stands among the top small SUVs on the market, solidly in elite territory. What truly sets it apart is its standard all-wheel drive, included on every model at no extra cost. This isn't just for show. The Forester delivers outstanding traction in snow, rain, and on rough terrain, often outperforming SUVs priced $10,000 higher. Surprisingly, all that capability doesn't compromise efficiency. The Forester achieves an excellent 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway, figures more typical of compact sedans than rugged SUVs. Subaru also equips the Forester with its advanced EyeSight safety suite as standard, a package many competitors reserve for higher trims. That means your vehicle is always keeping an eye on the road, even when your attention wavers. In short, the Subaru Forester combines strong fuel economy, advanced safety features, and all-weather capability with the kind of long-term reliability that makes it a smart and affordable choice. It's built to last and ready for whatever comes next. Number 4. Toyota Highlander Hybrid. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid isn't just another reliable family SUV, it stands in a class of its own. With a flawless 5 out of 5 reliability rating from Consumer Reports, it ranks among the rarest group of vehicles. Fewer than 2% ever achieve this level of dependability. While most 3-row SUVs force families to choose between fuel efficiency and interior space, the Highlander Hybrid delivers both. Its impressive 36 miles per gallon combined means the average household could save over $800 per year on fuel alone, real recurring savings that add up over time. But the Highlander hybrid's strengths go well beyond efficiency. Many owners report over 250,000 miles and more than 15 years of dependable performance. This is the kind of SUV families keep for the long haul, not something they trade in every few years. It also earned a perfect 5 out of 5 for owner satisfaction, showing that buyers not only trust it, they enjoy living with it. No surprises, no regrets, just consistent long-term value. If you're looking for an SUV with exceptional fuel economy, proven longevity, and total peace of mind, the Toyota Highlander Hybrid could very well be the ideal choice. Number 3. Mazda Cx-5. The Mazda Cx-5 proves that performance and reliability don't have to be trade-offs. It delivers both in a package that outshines much of the competition. With its available 256 horsepower turbocharged engine, the Cx-5 offers genuine driving excitement, often outperforming so-called performance SUVs that cost significantly more. But the real story begins after 60,000 miles. While many sporty crossovers start to show wear, the Cx-5 remains strong. According to Consumer Reports and experienced mechanics, these vehicles often reach 200,000 miles with little more than basic maintenance. When it comes to upkeep, the Cx-5 continues to impress. Annual maintenance costs average just $447, around $200 less than the segment average. That's not just good news for your wallet, it's a game changer for drivers seeking a premium experience without the premium expenses. Even with all that power, the Cx-5 remains fuel efficient, achieving up to 31 miles per gallon on the highway. It delivers muscle when you want it and efficiency when you need it. In a segment full of compromises, the Mazda Cx-5 shows you can have it all: power, precision, and lasting dependability. Quick, efficient, and built to last. Number 2. Honda CR-V. If you're after a reliable, hassle-free SUV, the Honda CR-V stands out as a top pick. Maintenance costs just $47 a year on average, less than what most people spend on coffee in a month. What's the secret? Smart, efficient engineering. The CR-V is built with simplicity, easy access components, and long-lasting systems. It avoids the complexity of many luxury SUVs and routinely goes beyond 200,000 miles with minimal issues. Even better, it holds its value, retaining 62% to 70% after 5 years, which rivals top models like those from Toyota. This isn't a short-term lease vehicle, it's built for long-term ownership and rewards drivers who stick with it. If you want peace of mind, minimal maintenance, and real savings, the CR-V is a smart choice. Number 1. Toyota RAV4. If value, reliability, and everyday practicality matter to you in an SUV, the Toyota RAV4 should be at the top of your list. While most SUVs lose nearly half their value in 5 years, the RAV4 retains an impressive 61%, an exceptional figure, especially in today's unpredictable market. But the RAV4 isn't just a smart investment, it's also accessible. With a starting price around $28,000, it offers a well-equipped, easy-to-own package right from the start. Whether you're commuting, hauling gear, or heading out for a weekend adventure, the RAV4 is built to handle it all with ease. Thanks to its excellent highway fuel economy, up to 35 miles per gallon, you'll save money at the pump without sacrificing interior space or versatility. It's capable, efficient, and consistently enjoyable to drive. One often overlooked advantage is Toyota's use of a timing chain instead of a timing belt in the RAV4, eliminating the need for costly replacements down the road, a hidden maintenance cost you won't have to worry about. In short, the RAV4 continues to earn repeat buyers by delivering strong fuel efficiency, outstanding resale value, and long-term durability. It's practical, budget-friendly, and built to last. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more ways to save on the road. Thanks for watching.